Oh, hello and welcome. Actually, I was talking for 5 minutes, but I wasn't live. So I will just repeat again what I was saying. So just regarding today, it's the 4th of December. I think our fourth day of trading live. And happy Thursday for everyone. Hopefully today will be a profitable day. But I'm quite sure today will not be a big losing day. So if we control our risk, we don't worry about the profit. What we worry about is just not to lose badly. So we need to lose well. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. As I said, the price return from this level, it's looking like really hard to break out from here. As we can see, the market rallies down for 420 points. It's a really huge sell-off from this price. But this candle looks a little bit strong, but we cannot really judge because it was overnight and Asian session. Sometimes it's reversing. All the strength here is vanishing after the market open. But let's see, we will see the reaction of the first 5 minutes to the price, and we will decide if we are going long or we will wait for a pullback, or there is some sellers will come in here. So most welcome, and let's start. The market is open. By the way, my name is Jafar. I've been trading for like 10 years. Maybe the last 2 years was profitable. Before that, it was only blowing accounts and break events. So my style of trading is very simple. It's like just feel the market, a little bit of volume reading, and a little bit of technical analysis, just to understand the market behavior. And that's all I do. I don't use much of indicators. I keep it simple, no analysis paralysis. My trading is a little bit boring and profitable. So if you like entertainment, I think you will not like it. Hello, Robbie. Nice to see you here every day. So if you are looking for profitability, it's a pleasure to have you here. How was your day? We are looking first 5 minutes. The market is just open right now. 1 minute past. I don't know why I feel nervous. Maybe the aircon is a little bit colder than it should be. Maybe that's why I feel a little bit nervous. Feel cold. I was saying that we are really watching this level with interest to see how the price will react here, and it gives us a good opportunity in case of some really good breakout here, because the next target will be a little bit further away. We are not planning actually to take 300, 400 points. We are only day traders, and if we grab just few points, that will be perfect for the day. And actually, if you read the previous days here at the left, you can see that the price really stick here for so long. and that means this price is really accepted by the market. So I'm thinking, in my opinion, that the price will not really be able to break immediately here. It might have some choppy here, and maybe some news. Today there is a high impact news. I think the unemployment rate in the US. Oh, congratulations, bro. That's amazing. Hopefully you get one more car by the end of 2026. Okay, here we can see a rejection in the first 5 minutes. Actually, we still have maybe 40 seconds to go. How old are you, Ruby? You know, I will tell you something. If you are like a new driver, I will give you a comparison. So, driving is similar to trading. You should always like be careful, and you always should be like defensive driver. Like, you don't really try to prove yourself right in the road, so to avoid accident. It's the same with trading. When you are trading, you always try just to protect yourself. You really don't need to prove to someone that you are doing something right, or that you are like the boss. So always be defensive. So if you are driving defensively, you will reach your destination. And if you try to like race road and prove that you are you know, the alpha, you will end up in like ugly situation. So I hope you like this comparison. Be safe. You are still young, very young. You have a long life to go. I will try to make this session quick, because actually I noticed the last few days we are not making good points on the London session, because it's really not clear and a little bit choppy. So I don't want to get exposed more for the London session. I will just take some quick profit and maybe we call it a day, and we will wait for the New York session. So the price is trying to push. This is a really good signal. But when you see it in a small time frame, yeah, it looks so good. But if you go back to the 4-hour chart, we are still doing nothing. We are still in the level. And I'm not sure it will be easy for the price to break through this like easily. Because as well, we can notice here the volume going up to this level was not really big volume. You can notice here these very few candles here means this price going up was not like attracting more traders. So even this candle is huge. Let's see the volume of today, how will be, and we'll see if there is a rejection from this level. The short will be so good. Go back to a smaller time frame. We are closing. We are, I mean, close to the end of first 10 minutes. I really want to go long because of like this like higher highs. But when you think about you are facing a huge level, like very heavy level, I have doubt. So I need to see some like really good confirmation or some, you know, to feel confidence to go long from here. Go a little bit further away to see what was going here. This level was broken, back again here, and all the way down. Gap up, rally all the way up. Broken, broken, tap back, broken. Yeah, it's hard day to trade because the price is in really critical level. So we need to be more like cautious about it. First 10 minutes already done. Look at the spike, one down, one tail up. Prices again here just thinking here to go short, because what I noticed that this rejection here, price went all the way up and goes down and close very small body of the candle with much less volume than the opening. Means there was just little force to push all the way from here back to here. That give us a little bit of hint that maybe short positioning here will be good. So let me try to make my size first. I'm not sure if I can go for one contract. 30 points, that will be good. So I'll have one contract. And maybe I will be in. I am short. Maybe I will just try to get the price back to this level, and my stop loss will be just about this. Let's get a little bit closer to the chart. Hello and welcome. We have another viewer. Yeah, the price is trying again to test the same level. And I think we are almost out of the position. So I did not give it any room here, even for the spread. I will just move it a little bit here. If it went there, then I think I will change the bias and go long, but not immediately, maybe in a while. And I noticed yesterday the US rallied so hard. At the same time, the German was not doing much. So I'm not sure if the German today will follow up and go higher, or as I said, it will just chop it under this level until the news came out in the US session, then it will take the direction. Let's see. Yeah, we are almost stopped out. Yeah, we are out. It's okay. Let's be patient a little bit and see if there will be like a good closing above the level. And if we see some volume coming in, then I think we will try to go long. Yeah, the price is sitting exactly at the high the last 3 days. So this is very important level. It's this month actually high, the high of the month. So if the price break and stayed here for some time, maybe this will be the low of the month and we can see new high. There is no like bad news coming in Europe. Remove this so we can see the chart properly. Let's go to the 5 minute to see what's going on in that rejection. I already said it. I noticed this week when we start trading live, we are not doing good in London session because of low volume and it's really choppy. No trends, just weeks and spikes, and so it's not really a good thing to trade, but we still can make it. Have a look if there is any important news coming in. Only today, an unemployment claim in Europe. There is the Swiss franc, some news. Nothing else. Construction PMI, retail sales at 6 p.m. for the euro. So I'll just go again. Short, same size. Little bit of space here. This is my last trade for the day. Not for the day, for the session. So we will just put our stop and take profit somewhere here in this level and give it a time to play. Like some people are coming in here after the retest. Price goes up, goes down again. Some people will try to buy here, rebounds. But let's see. We still have 2 minutes for these 5 minutes to finish. How many points that Marshall rallies this? Only 100 points. 118. I'm actually trading against the trend because I know the importance of this level. So hopefully some big players will come in and just push the price back to this level, consolidate for some time before it's really breaking up or breaking down. So we have 3 seconds, then I will move my stop here, then I will just not trade again. This will be my last risk for this session. And if we miss this trade, like if it moves against us, then I will just trade the US session. So actually right now, the first 15 minutes already closed. And it closed really positive, but this closing in these levels cannot really trust. It's Thursday. Midweek. And normally the midweeks is always been like reversals or like pullbacks. Because always the week start in some level, push all the way to another level. By midweek, it's bouncing back to the closing area. Hopefully we already did this cycle and now the price is like pushing back to the closing of the week. People will call this like cup and handle. Some they call it like butterfly pattern or whatever. We call it price goes down, then rally back, go back again, and rally it up. So it's just a movement of the price. Okay, so we'll just keep my stop loss here for now. Let's see. $47 at opening was ugly. I really wish to see some closing, like hard closing in here with no resistance. That will be so good. If I see some like consecutive red candles with full body, maybe I will put some more to this position. and just in case, but I'm not like 100% sure. And if the price failed this 5 minute to close here, like went back again to this level, I am going out. I will not wait for it to touch the stop loss. We have 30 more seconds for this 5 minute to close, then I will move my stop loss above this 5 minute, maybe just middle half here. And I hope the same pattern will not be repeated again, like Europe after the opening is chopping for almost like 1 or 2 hours before it takes the direction. So hopefully there will be some movement now at the start of the session, so it will not take so long to stay in front of the chart. So right now reduce my risk a little bit, maybe just to this high here. I think this is more than enough. Yeah, I have another visitor. I feel alone here, you know, talking to myself. Please hit me with a message and some like if you want. Or if you have any question, you can ask. It's better to have like, you know, talk to the viewers than just stay here looking at the chart. And I know trading is boring, but I'm afraid to do some stupid stuff if I feel so bored. So please entertain me with some messages, jokes, whatever you want, so I can stay focused. Actually, it doesn't matter because there is no time limit. There is no time limit, and actually my style is I start with very low risk. So I grow, for example, let's say from 5,000, 530, 560, 500, 5200, 5400, like that. So it's exponential. It's not because if I have a backup, I have already profit, I can increase a little bit my risk, so I can grow the account faster. Because now we just started. I've been out of trading for some time. I was working on something else. That's why I am still just testing the waters and just understanding the behaviors of the market again. So once I am in, once I get the rhythm, then I will start to exponentially get faster to the target. So we have, I think, 2 more minutes to close this 5 minute. There was a rejection from here for maybe 1, 2, 3 candles, 3 5-minute candles, and we can see the 4th one happening right now. I really want to move my stop loss a little bit further here, above this wick here and above this candle here, and we wish there will be a little bit trend, some movement. So the entire opening is like 50 points up and down. and the price is like 23,000. 50 point is nothing. It's like there is no volume, no buyers or sellers. So hopefully there will be a little bit of swings. Yeah, price is spiking up again. Are giving back all our profit, unrealized profit. And we have 40 seconds for this 5 minutes to close. If we see some push down again back to the same level, that will little bit give us some confirmation that I think the price will keep going down. But if it closes here in this level, then I'm out, because the price will just keep chopping here, and I really don't want to trade that situation. This push at the last seconds is a little bit positive, but I will just to make it risk zero and wait for one more 5 minutes. Even the closing was not really above these bodies of these candles, but that last push in that last few seconds was good. So what I am going to do, just to avoid stuck in this range, I think I'm going just try to recover a little bit of the loss we just got. I really don't want to see a rejection again from here, so let's give it maybe 20 more seconds to see if there is some pressure down, or else I will just get out. Okay, let's give it some more time. Yeah, there is a spike back again. So if this candle turns to be green, then I will get out. We should see some follow up. Two more minutes from this 5 minutes is almost done. Hopefully the price will just stuck in this level for some time, so we might see some sellers coming in, but there is none. Then the piano pattern will start to form, and I'm out. Still halfway for the 5 minutes to finish. Please just be patient. Yeah, 2 more minutes. I don't want to go down to the 1 minute chart. I want to keep it 5, so I will be reasoning with the 5. So just watch for 2 more minutes. If we can see some pressure down, that will be good signal for our position. Hopefully it will pay off. Price is bouncing back. The volume is shrinking like so fast. First opening. Let's see how much was it. Yeah, 593 tick, and goes down to 4, and now we are seeing 300. Another fat zero, I think, in this position. Yeah, this is just a huge. Don't know if there will be some quick rejection from here or just back again, go down again. Which is annoying. Yeah, it will just stop me out, and because my stop loss actually, I don't want to risk anymore. Yeah, I think I will call it a day. There is nothing to see here. This is not for trading. I might wait like offline and see if there is any breakout from this high or this high, then I might trade, but right now I think there is nothing, and the live will just keep going. Almost 30 minutes, but doesn't look tradable. So maybe I will see you in US session. Tell me if you have any question before I go, so we'll have some 5 minutes for chat. I'm not sure how much the latency, that's why I will wait if I can see any message. If not, then I will see you just in the evening for the US session. Yeah, see you, bro. This session doesn't look really tradable, it's sleepy. So for my trading style it's not working, so I might just look after the shot if there is some movement, really some real movement. If not, we'll just see you in the US session. Yeah, take care. We'll see you again in the evening. Have a good day.